Meet the majestic orchid mantis, a stealthy hunter whose entire life is a cleverly disguised lie. This tiny insect is actually a master of deception, impersonating its victims to perfection. Its camouflage is so effective that even the most skilled entomologists have trouble spotting one in the wild. For centuries, scientists have been studying the orchid mantis, and still, we can't help but wonder, how does it do it? The answer lies in the mantis's unique body shape and behavior, which allow it to blend in seamlessly with its surroundings. Imagine a leafy branch swaying gently in the breeze, and you'll get an idea of what the orchid mantis looks like when it's at rest. But as soon as it senses the presence of prey, the mantis springs into action, its slender body unfolding like a spring. It's like a miniature, six-legged version of a ninja, sneaking up on its victims with lightning-fast speed and stealth. But that's not the strangest part. The orchid mantis's camouflage is so effective that it even fools its own predators. Wait until you hear what happens when a bird tries to catch an orchid mantis, thinking it's a real leaf. The bird swoops down, talons outstretched, only to realize its mistake when the mantis suddenly unfurls its wings and takes flight. It's a stunning display of agility and cunning, and one that has left many a scientist in awe. But the orchid mantis's incredible abilities don't come without a cost. It's a solitary creature, spending most of its life alone. In fact, the only time the mantis interacts with others is during mating, a brief and intense encounter that's all too brief. It's a lonely existence, but one that's perfectly suited to the orchid mantis's unique lifestyle. And yet, despite its solitary nature, the orchid mantis remains one of the most fascinating insects in the world. Its incredible camouflage, combined with its lightning-fast speed and agility, make it a true marvel of nature. But what's even more remarkable is the orchid mantis's ability to adapt to its environment. It can change its color and shape to blend in with its surroundings. It's like a real-life chameleon. But instead of just changing color, the orchid mantis can alter its entire body shape to match its environment. This incredible ability allows the mantis to survive in even the most inhospitable of environments, a true testament to its incredible resilience. And yet, despite its incredible abilities, the orchid mantis remains a mysterious creature, one that continues to fascinate and inspire scientists to this day. So the next time you're out in the garden, take a closer look at the plants around you, and one that's sure to captivate and inspire you. These incredible insects are truly a marvel of nature, and one that's sure to captivate and inspire you. And as you watch the orchid mantis in its natural habitat, remember that you're witnessing a true master of deception, a creature that's been perfecting its craft for centuries. It's a reminder that even in the natural world, there's always more to learn, more to discover, and more to be amazed by. So subscribe for more incredible stories like this, and join us on our journey of discovery as we explore the wonders of the natural world. And don't forget to like and comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this incredible insect. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.